Hi there, I'm Chris for Tippy Club Gaming, and today we're going to be taking a look at adding some battle damage to armour pieces, and in this example I'll be using a Rhino from Warhammer 40k.
So I've had this Rhino for a few years now, and originally I wanted to use it for the enforcers in Necromunda as a patrol vehicle for them. And I bought this scoop on eBay, stuck it on, spray painted it black, set it aside and never did anything with them. But now with the new Palanite enforcers, the project's going to come back to my mind now. To really tie it into Necromunda, I made these stamps from green stuff and the Necromunda dice lids. I made two different seals with these, which I've added to the tank. I've also done some damage already just to try and get the technique right, and now I'm ready to show it. So to do the technique I'll be using a pin vise, sculpting tools, my model knife, and the Vallejo plastic putty. Using the pin vise at an angle, work it into the model, and if you go through the plastic then it's not too much of a problem because the putty will sort that out. Tilting the tool after making the hole widens it a little bit and makes it a little bit more interesting for like different caliber bullet holes and things. The hobby knife also helps out here. Now with the holes created, we're going to fill the holes up with the plastic putty. As it starts to set, the outside forms like a crust, and that's what's going to give us the look we need when we push the sculpting tools into it. It'll take a few minutes to start to dry, so you've got time to prepare a few holes at once. After you've created the bullet damage using the sculpting tools, then you just leave the putty to set. Once it's dried it'll be really hard and the putty looks like the impact craters that you'd see when armour's been shot. It helps make the model look natural and just fits in on the battlefield a lot better. Once everything's set and you've done all the damage that you want to do, just give it another spray paint and then it's ready to paint proper, which is something I'll go over in a future video. Now this technique isn't just for doing on vehicles. You can do it on some models as well. I'm thinking possibly some of the subjugator shields might get some of that when I get some of those. And on scenery as well, I've got some MDF stuff coming and I'm definitely going to be doing some battle damage on some of those as well.